Look, Cat! It's Number Mountain! It's so big and full of numbers! Let's start climbing, Bunny! 1 is easy! Look! I'm already at the top! We got this, Cat! This number is bigger, but we can do it together! We're almost there! The number 10 is huge! Let's keep going! We did it! We climbed Number Mountain!
Each number was a fun challenge, and together we made it all the way to the top.